What up? Okay, so it's been a while since I've last recorded a video and I thought I should record a new one. This is gonna be short because I don't have that much to say about this and I don't like the vape anymore. About all I could say. It's like I don't like it because I've been having a few issues and it's leaking right this second. Leaking is one of them. There is so much leaking issues with my vape and I don't know why. The paint is coming off it. I don't do anything bad to it, so I don't know why the paint is coming off, and it's coming off on the thing. Like you see that? That's where it fits. And I didn't do anything to it. I didn't do it too tightly. I've never tied it too tightly. I've done it so it works, but not tight enough where it's gonna like break the vape. Now the biggest part that I don't know why this happened or how it honestly happened is the actual screen part. It works, not broken, but it's coming off and the fire button keeps on falling out, and I don't know how that happened to the screen, but it did, and now I'm stuck with a vape where every time I take this off, the screen falls apart and the fire button falls out sometimes. Now I don't know how this happened or why it happened. The other two are fine. The screen on the bottom is completely fine. It won't come off. The top one, I don't like this vape anymore. I just throw it in the bottom of my drawer and I don't use it. I don't know why. I'm repeating myself. I'm sorry if that's so annoying. But I have questions too that I don't think anyone can answer, like it's ridiculous. And I've been answering as many questions possible that you guys ask me in the comments below. Oh my god, Motorbike Gang's back. Great. Right, I'm going to finish this off quickly, but there are a couple of issues, like when I do use it, it leaks. When I don't use it, it leaks. It broke. I don't know how the screen broke on it, or whatever how this is, but I don't know. Like, you see the fire button, it's full now, and I'm not getting a refund. I don't think it's worth a refund. It was cheap. I don't care for one, and I think I've used it too much or for too long, so I don't think I can get one even if I wanted one, but I don't. I bought it to use it and try and quit smoking, and it broke on me, so I've gone back to smoking. I have other vapes like the smock and the pens, but I've had 4 vapes like this that all broke on me. I don't do anything stupid to it. I use it, I refill it, charge it, that's it. Like, I don't know how they all keep breaking on me, but I don't like the vape anymore. To me it's just too cheaply made, to the point where I can't use it. Like, I think it broke like after I recorded the video, like a month after, and ever since then I've just thrown it in the bottom of my drawer and I don't use it ever again, because I don't know why it's done that, and I don't want to use it to the point where it's completely broken, so I just don't use it anymore. I should throw it away or something, but I could still use it. It does work. It does vape, but I don't know. I really don't know. If you have any questions, probably a lot from this short, stupid video. If you have any, just leave it down below. I will respond. I've been trying to. I don't know how this happened. Like, and you see these little bits of paper and stuff? These are all my artworks that I've done. Every single one of these. And there's they're all over my room. Just a bunch of artworks that I've done. If you want me to record like a video, like I did these for my GCSEs, I did these to our boredom, and then I have a bunch all up here behind you, but I'm not going to try and record them because there are photos of my friends and stuff also over there. I'm so sorry that this video is just like pointless and very stupid, but I felt like it was needed. I don't like the vape, and I feel like me putting out that video before, I did like it back then. Now I don't like it, and I felt like I should tell you guys why I don't like the vape. You can take it with a grain of salt. Your vape might be perfectly fine, it might work, it might not break ever, but mine didn't work, and I don't recommend buying it anymore. Like, there are better vapes out there. If you want to buy it, you go buy it, but I'm just telling you what was wrong with the vape. I'm sorry, this is just me babbling on now. I'm gonna go probably sit in the bed and I'll watch other videos, but yeah, see you whenever. Could be a month from now, it could be a year. I don't know. I have to see what I want to record. But I'm a little rockers.